Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For this look, I prefer something simple that can be done quick and which is very easy but still looks very well organized. The look I'm creating today is only using affordable products and it's so easy that anybody can create this look. So I hope you enjoy this. Let's get started to the video. For priming my face and moisturizing my face, I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizer and Oriflame Perfect Match primer, and then I'm using my fingertips to blend all the products, and then I'm using the l.a.girl Pro concealer in a shade orange, and here also I'm using my fingertips to apply the product on my face where I have dark patches or dark circle. Then to hide everything, I'm using the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline, and I'm in a shade Sand Sable 20. I'm applying a little bit on the underneath my eyes, on my bridge of my nose, and on my forehead, and a little bit around my mouth. And here I'm using a damp sponge, and I'm going to dab all the product and blend everything nicely. Then I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and my shade number is 310. This foundation is semi-matte, so perfect for all day function, and also the coverage is not so full, not so sheer, so it's perfect for this look. First I'm applying with a damp sponge and apply this all over my face, and then I'm going to buff it with this Real Technique buffing brush. Also don't forget to apply this on your neck area and on your ears. Now I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in a shade medium, and this concealer is best for highlighting, and also the finishing is so natural that you can easily go for this for the morning function. Then I'm patting some banana powder from Makeup Revolution with this damp sponge and dust off the excess product that I have on my face. It prevents any creasing and also set the foundation and concealer for all day. Then I'm using this matte peach shade from LA Colors palette and applying this with a buffing brush on the hollows of my cheek. It makes my face look more warm and natural. And also I'm applying this little bit on my nose and on my chin. Then for slightly contour my face, I'm using this shade from the same palette and apply this also on the hollows of my chin and little bit on my jawline. And little bit on the side of my nose, and for this I'm using my fingertips, and now I'm using the blush shade from the same palette and applying this on the apple of my cheeks. Then I'm using this matte highlighter shade from the same palette and applying this on the underneath my eyes and little bit on the bridge of my nose and around my mouth, and dust off the excess product. Then I'm going to dust off the excess product that I have on my brows with a brow brush. Now with the help of this two shade from the Sephora geometric palette and with the angular brow brush, I'm going to fill my brows. For my inner corners I'm using the lighter shade, and for the arch of my brows I'm using the darker shade. This two shade makes my brows look natural, and also it looks very defined. Then to even out my eyelid, I'm using this same matte highlighter from the Sephora Geometric palette, and also I'm using a small buffing eyeshadow brush. For this look, I'm using this Miss Claire eyeshadow palette, and first I'm using this pink shade and applying a small fluffy eyeshadow brush. This palette is very pigmented, so you have to apply little amount at the beginning. Then to balance out everything, I'm using the same pigment on my lower lash line, and I'm only applying on the 3/4 of my lower lash line. Now for some pop-up glow, I'm using the creamy pigmentation from the same palette, and I'm patting the pigmentation on my eyelid with an angular flat eyeshadow brush. And also I'm applying this on the inner corner of my eyelids. And here I'm using this angular part of the brush and applying this on the inner corner of my eyes. Now using this brown shade from Miss Claire and applying this on the 3/4 of my lower waterline and also tightline my eyes. Next, using the highlighter shade from l.a. Colors palette and applying this on the bridge of my nose, on the high points of my face, like on my brow bone, on my cheekbone, and a little bit on my chin. And now I'm going to fill my lips with the Nika Naughty Nude lipstick. And curl my brow with this Body Shop curler and applying the mascara. And for my final step, I'm going to put this matching jhumka, and this is the final look, guys. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.